Vaseline Repairing Jelly. The original petroleum jelly from Vaseline is triple purified, hypoallergenic and dermatologically tested, and is ideal for a multitude of uses, including as a moisturizer. Vaseline hacks on skincare. Apply a small dab to your lips before bed. Helps avoid chapped lips. Use a clean spoolie and rub it on the Vaseline. Apply Vaseline to your eyebrows and upper lashes. Apply Vaseline on your wrist. And spray your perfume on it. Don't forget to buy Vaseline Repairing Jelly at the official store. The healing power of Vaseline.